So my topic to research is going to be applications of sports medicine or athletic training in the real world. So my search was sports medicine in use, and I found the first article. It's the Sports Medicine Preface by Brian Krabick. It has no abstract, but whenever you read into the PDF file, it goes over different uses of sports medicine and basically shows what it entails, and then gives you similar articles on how sports medicine is used in the real world. So the second article I found is Extreme Sports Injuries and Medical Coverage. This one relates to my topic because it shows how sports medicine is used to help in these cases of extreme sports and injury, and how it is an example of how sports medicine is used in the real world. And from a different perspective, this article is Challenges of the Sports Medicine Physician. And when you read the PDF, it goes over basically what challenges people in sports medicine and athletic training face. That's all.